This is room 701, the Westin Bayshore Hotel in Vancouver. This is a junior suite, located on the 7th floor. Right there. It's your typical Westin room. Hotel's probably been around since the 70s at least, I would say. With some updates. Nice sized bathroom. With an iron board. Where you put your luggage in the other room. Some good storage drawers down there. Lots of hanging space in the bathroom, which is nice. There is no other closet though, so that would be it. It comes with a hairdryer, some storage space down below there. Makeup mirror, doesn't go very light, but it seems to work. Nice size open area bathtub with good bath products and fully enclosed glass shower. It was a little narrow. It wasn't maybe 2 feet, it felt like, but it did do the job, and the rain head shower was really nice up there. So you have a separate conditioner, a shampoo, and a body wash, which is nice. It is a sliding door. It does close pretty much all the way. It is fairly soundproof, so not too bad for a sliding door in a bathroom. Light switches, full length mirror when you walk in. And then into the main room, you have a nice big pull-out couch, 2 chairs, little table area here with the thermostat right in behind. Lots of room to store the luggage. Quite comfy actually, the seats were quite comfy, couch is quite comfy. Lots of storage here. Normal flat screen TV. I mean, who doesn't have a flat screen TV these days? There's a nice cooler, fridge. I wouldn't say it was too cold, but it worked. And a safe, which was able to fit my MacBook. So fairly deep, which is good to know. Good workspace here with a mirror right above it. These plugs, there's no USBs, but there's 3 outlets here. They seemed a little wonky. You have to fiddle with them a bit to make them work. A coffee maker with Starbucks coffee, which is always nice. Good chair, good desk space, like I said. Nice big view here. When you open these blinds, we do have a bit of a rooftop view. Seaplanes coming in. Bit of a roof over here, but pretty much open except for the one tower, the west tower. And these doors open fully to give you like a balcony view. Move these chairs up, and you get a good breeze in here, and you get a good view, sights and sounds of Cole Harbour. That's Stanley Park, which starts just over here, and then goes all the way around, past the Lions Gate Bridge, and back again. It's a good loop. Did it on bikes yesterday and took about an hour to an hour and a half. Yeah, as you can see, not a bad view. Okay, and then over here, and this door is where the bedroom is. Just go straight through here and opens up to a nice king-size bed, very comfy. Spent 2 nights here, it was very comfy. Pillows are okay, always order extra pillows, maybe bring your own. Never trust the pillows in hotels for their firmness or their softness, whichever you prefer. These ones are a little too soft. Phone's very dated, it looks very worn. It's not dirty, we washed it, so it's just worn. Typical hotel phone. Nice lights beside the bed though, good storage beside the bed. And you got a chair and ottoman, another TV, lots of storage, 3 big drawers here. And again, behind this side of the bed, no plugs though. Sorry, no USBs on each side. Where the lights plug in, there are some plugs down there on both sides. Then out here, we have a nice balcony with 2 big chairs and a table. I'm not gonna open this door. These doors are heavy and make a lot of noise. But again, this balcony isn't the best of views because if you look this way, you're basically looking at a rooftop. And if you look this way, you're looking at a wall. So that's your view there. But the sun does set over here, so you do get the nice sunset. And you can still see some nice views that way over there. So if you look past the roof a bit, that's not too bad. The hotel was full, so this was the last junior suite they could offer. So quite happy with it. Other than that, that's it. 701 of the Westin Bayshore, right on Cole Harbour, right here in beautiful Vancouver. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share it with somebody you know, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, stay safe and be nice to each other. Have a good day.